In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you a particular campaign where Bybit is currently giving out USDT to their users, and all you have to do to get part of this USDT for yourself is to complete some tasks. So in this video, I'll be explaining what the campaign is all about. I'll explain to you the tasks you need to complete so that you can get some USDT for yourself too, and also I'll be answering every question you might want to ask about this campaign. And lastly, I'll be talking about the terms and conditions you need to understand so that you can be able to get out of this USDT. So if you are ready for this video, just like this video and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We are trying to hit 200,000 subscribers. Thank you. Now let's get straight into the video. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, the name of the campaign is Illuminate Your Asset Map, your path to 1 million USDT. That's the name of the campaign. Now, right here, you see that it says event will end in 14 days, 0 hours, 41 minutes. So that means that you still have about 2 weeks or 14 days to be able to participate in this campaign and get some USDT for yourself. Now, let me scroll up and show you guys the price pool. So right here is the price pool, that is the amount of money they are giving out. So Bybit is giving out a combined amount of 1 million USDT to their users. Now you can see right here it says price pool 1, illuminate your asset map, and it says that the price right here is 300,000 USDT. So for this one right here, they are giving out 300,000 USDT. And for you to get out of this 300,000 USDT, all you just need to do is to complete 5 key tasks to earn up to 13 lucky draw tickets. That's all you have to do to be able to get out of this 300,000 USDT. I'll be explaining more as we go on in this video. Now for price pool 2, it says grow with diversified plans, and for this they are giving out 700,000 USDT. So all you have to do right here is to just accumulate points by holding, trading, borrowing, and staking. So like I said, I'll be explaining everything about all of these tasks as we go on in this video, but this is the total amount they are giving out for this campaign, which is a lot. Now let's scroll up and see the first one, which is illuminate your asset map. Now for this, like I said earlier, it says complete 5 key tasks to fully light up your asset map and unlock 5 bonus entries for a chance to win up to 1,000 USDT airdrops. So you can see that you have the chance to win up to 1,000 USDT. That's for each person. So that means that you can win up to 1,000 USDT through this campaign. Now if I scroll up right here, you see where it says you have different tickets or different chances for you to be able to win out of this. So right here on the screen are the 5 different tasks that you need to complete to be able to win out of the $300,000 for the first prize pool. Now the first task right here says total convert amount greater than or equal to $100. So what this means is that you must convert a minimum amount of $100 on your Bybit account. So you can just go on Bybit convert page and then you convert at least $100 from one coin to another. That's just what you have to do. So once you do that, you get a lucky chance of 1 draw to be able to get out of the $300,000. And the more chances you have, the more money you'll be able to get out of the $300,000. I hope you understand. Now the second task right here says margin trading volume greater than or equal to $200. So what this means is that you must trade with at least $200 on the margin trading volume page. That's just all you have to do, with at least $200. And for that, you'll be getting a lucky draw of 2 chances. So that means that once you complete these first 2 tasks, you already have 3 chances for yourself. And the first one right here says stake greater than or equal to 1 Solana via margin staked SOL. So this means that all you just have to do is to stake at least 1 Solana for yourself, at least 1 Solana. And once you do that, you'll be getting 2 chances. And then the fourth one right here says spot trading volume greater than or equal to $100. So that means that you must trade on the spot trading page with at least $100. And for that, you get 1 chance for yourself. So that makes it 6 chances. And then the last one right here says borrow via crypto loans greater than or equal to $50. So Bybit has this feature where they can loan you crypto. So if you want to loan crypto, you go ahead and do that. So for this tax, you must loan at least $50. So once you loan at least $50, you get 2 chances for yourself. So if I keep scrolling up right here, the next one will be where you have the grow with diversified plans. For this one, they are giving out up to $700,000 to Bybit users. So you can see right here, the current price pool is about $300,000 right here, and that's because the total participant they have right now is just 50,000. So you can see where you have this 50,000 and $300,000. So that means that for 50,000 users that are currently participating in this, they are giving out $300,000. But once they have 400,000 people participate in this, they'll be giving out $700,000. And you can see right here, this is the number of participants that are currently doing this right now. That's about 65,173. And then you can see the total points that people have accumulated. That's over 3.5 billion points. So you can see the number of points right there. Now, how can you participate in this and get out of this $700,000 for yourself? Now, as you can see right here, the first task says spot trading. That's the first thing you need to do. So you need to do spot trading. Now, for spot trading, the point rate you get is 1x. So what's the meaning of this 1x? So let's say, for example, you do spot trading with, let's say, $50. The number of points you get will be 50 times 1. So 50 times 1 will be 50 points for you. And right away, you have this point limit. That means that that's the maximum amount of points you can get for that task. So for spot trading, the maximum number of points you can get is 100 million points. So again, let's say you do spot trading with, like, let's say $200. That means that the number of points you'll be getting will be 200 times 1. That is 200 points for you. Now, the second task for this one is margin trading, and the point rate you get is 1.1x. So for this one, if you do it with $100, that means the number of points you'll be getting will be 100 times 1.1, which is 110 points. So that means that if you do it with $200, that will be 220 points. So whatever capital you use will be multiplied by this point rate, and that's the number of points you will get. And right here, the maximum number of points you can get for this is 100 million points. Now, the third one is the convert feature, and the point rate for that is 1.1x. So for this one too, if you convert at least $100, that's 100 times 1.1, and that's 110 points. And for this one, the maximum number of points you can get is 50 million points. Now, the next one is asset holdings. Now, this asset holdings means the asset you have in your wallet, the asset you are currently holding. So whatever asset you are holding right there will be multiplied by this 0.2x. So that's the point rate. So let's, for example, you have $1,000 in your wallet that you are holding right now. So that's $1,000 times 0.2, and that's 200 points for you. And for this tax, the maximum number of points you can get is 500,000 points. Now, the next one is where you have margin staked SOL. This is for the amount of SOL that you'll be staking. So the point rate for this is 1.1. So if you stake SOL of, let's say, $100, that's 110 points for you. And the maximum number of points you can get for this is 400,000 points. And then the last one will be crypto loans. So let's, for example, you loan $100, it will be multiplied by 1.5. So that will be 150 points. And the maximum number of points you can get for this is 500,000 points. And the more you do all of these things, the more points you'll be able to get for yourself. So that's for how you get the points. And then right here, you can see the leaderboard. So you can see people who already joined and the number of points they have. So you'll be able to see it right here. So you can see this first person on the list right here will be getting up to 1,900 USDT. So you can see that the more points you have, the more money you'll be able to get for yourself. And these are the tasks you need to complete. I've explained everything and how you can get the point for yourself. So you can see that it is even transparent right here. You can see the leaderboard. You can see who is on the top, who is number 1, number 2. You can see whatever position you are right here. So let me keep scrolling up, and then you can see right here it says get started in minutes. So if you want to start, the first thing you need to do is to register for the event. I'll show you how to register for the event right now. The second step is to complete tasks to earn draw entry. So I've shown you the tasks you need to complete for you to get the draw entries. And then the third one is to earn points by holding or trading. So I've shown you the different things you can do for you to get points and how to get the point for yourself. And then lastly, you get your rewards. So your rewards will be distributed to you within 10 days after the end of the event. I hope you understand. So let's, for example, the event ends in the next 2 weeks. That means after 10 days, you'll be getting whatever rewards you've made in your wallet. I hope you understand. So if I keep scrolling up right here, let's go to where you have the FAQs. Now, when you come here to where you have the FAQs, you can see where it says, how do I register for this event? It says to participate, simply click register now on the event page and complete at least identity verification level 1. Please note that users from restricted regions are not eligible to participate. Now, the second one says, how do I earn lucky draw tickets? I've shown you that. You just need to complete the tasks I've explained earlier. Now, the third one says, how do I earn points? So I've shown you how to earn your points. And you can see right here, it says for spot trading, if you trade spot at $100, you get 100 times 1, and that's 100 points. So I've shown you right here how to get your points. You just need to multiply whatever capital you are using by this point rate. So that's for how you get your point for this. And then you can see right here, it says, is there a point limit or minimum requirement? And right here, it says, yes, you must earn at least 500 points to qualify for rewards. Please take note of this. You must get at least 500 points. And then next one says, where can I check my current point balance and ranking? So for this, you go to your dashboard and you click on my point to view your point. And lastly, if you come here to you have the terms and conditions, please make sure you read this, but let me just explain them for you. Now the first one right here is the participation rules. Now you can see right here it says users must register for the event using the register now button to be eligible for rewards. Number 2, it says users must complete identity verification level 1. Please make sure you do all of these things so that you can be able to get your reward, because I'm sure some people might go on and join this campaign and they will not get their rewards, and they will say, oh, they want something on Bybit and Bybit did not give it to them. So please make sure you do all of these things. And then you can see the next one says pro users, institutional accounts and market makers are not eligible for this event. And I'm sure if you are watching this video, you are probably not part of all of these things. You are not a pro user, you are not an institutional account, and so on. So you can be able to participate in that. And then it says sub accounts are not eligible to participate, but their trading and borrowing volumes will count toward the main account. Now the second one is eligibility. Now that means that how are you eligible to get rewards from this? Now for this one, I've told you just need to complete identity verification 1. That's the only thing. And you can see right there, it says this event is not meant for customers in this country. So you can look at these countries. If your country is right there, then you cannot participate in this. And the next one is event overview right here. So right here you can see all of the details of the event. I'll put the link to this in the description below, so you can go through all of this overview right here, or maybe you can just pause this video at this point and read all of these event details right here. So you can just pause it and read them. So once you've done that, the next thing is to go ahead and register. So I'll go to the top right there. I'll go to the top. So you can see at the top right here, you see where it says register now. So this is it right here where they are pointing to. So I'll just click on it. So once you click on register now, it will bring you right here to where you can create your Bybit account. So right here, you just need to put your email address. So where you have this email right here, put your email address right there. Put your password, whatever password you want to use for your account. And where you have this referral code, just come here and put 41557. This is the referral code you should put in right there to be able to participate in this campaign. So again, put your email address, your password, and this referral code 41557. So once you've done that, come right here to where you have create account and go ahead and create your account. And don't forget, do your level 1 verification. It's simple and just straightforward. So once you do that, go ahead and complete all of the tasks I've explained in this video, and you'll be able to get some rewards for yourself within the next 14 days. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be replying to every question that I get. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.